Hey guys, so this is Ratty Gourmet, and we are going to be making food within the Ratty. I've started my ingredient collection process. So we have some baked sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and we'll see what we can make with it. Okay, so here's what we've got so far. We took tortilla chips. We took a flour tortilla, coated in oil, put it through the toaster on around like level 6. And then you have sweet potato and chickpea mashed with olive oil, salt and pepper, garlic and garlic powder and some oregano, I believe, and some cherry pepper sauce. Yeah. I'll get back to you about the next meal. Hi, so we're back. So we got some vegetables, some cucumber and carrots pickling over here. We're gonna add a little bit more into the pickling solution, just the vinegar and sugar. Maybe some salt. Some salt as well. Cool. We got the rotisserie chicken, we got it shredded. And the sauce with Sriracha, soy sauce, some vinegar, some sugar, some oil. And then we're gonna add some, bell peppers, and other vegetables. Okay.
Ignore that. First bite.
Oh, yeah, don't.
Oh no.
Oh, baby.
It's dripping a lot.
Oh, it's dripping. Yeah, there's a hole in the lettuce. Put it over this. Oh, baby. There's a hole in the lettuce.
You're a hole in the lettuce. It's good.
Cool.
That's really good.
Okay. Cool. Guys, the secret. The star is the sauce. Okay.
Let me tell you about this sauce. You can put this sauce on salads. You can put it on chicken. You can put it on tofu. Vegetarians love it. Fucking bottle it, sell it, love it, live it, ship it, eat it, dip it. Wait, no.
What a great dinner.
Yeah.
I would give myself 10 out of 10 points for taste. Presentation was a little lacking, but I think originality is where we really struck gold today. Michael's leaving.
I feel
Say
like
goodbye.
I'm very original right now.
Oh.
Wait, my hair doesn't look that bad.
Goodbye, y'all. See you next time on Ratty Gourmet.